Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I bring you the Soul 40mm, all nice brass padlock, and it's a Series 2500. So let's get this one out here. Take a look at the key, and it looks like from 4 pins now. So up to 35mm we had 3 pins, and now 40mm we have 4 pins. I'm glad the 20mm didn't have only like 2 pins. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm back. Had to take a little mental break from this lock, but now we're gonna open it. So we got fourth set on the first pin. Got it. Let's do a fourth set. Now we have it back. We got counter rotation on 3 again. Come on. Finally. Alright. So I already take that as speed pick and everything. Video is long enough as it is. That was the Soul 40mm. And it's a little bit trickier. As you can see, the first pin gave me the fourth set. And then I have a very, very high pin here. So yeah, that was the tricky part. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.